शेनवारा गोयची फामाद दिवाडेची बोनेरां जाली। ह्या उत्सवाची खोस घेवपाक गोयच्या खाची कोनशांतल्यान लोक तशेंच भायले पर्यटकूय आयिल्ले। पळयात दिवाडेची बोनेरां। RDX गोवा खातीर दिवाडेच्यान कॅन्सल रॉड्रिगेज।
Please hydrate yourself, have some water. We've got lots of stalls around. Please make sure you're getting some water into your system because there's a long
beautiful layout of clothes and display. And we've got bands which are there, top bands of Goa which are there. One is True Blue and another is NH17. These are the floats which you will not get to see for any other festivals. These are the floats which are so traditional and in-depth with Goa that people come to see all these floats done by our villagers.